amazing folks, welcome back to my channel. This is me Komal Gupta and you are watching Komoholic World. So today I'm going to attend a wedding party. So I have already done my makeup and I have all dressed up, but I'm just left with my hairstyle. So I thought let me just share you some hairstyle ideas that will enhance your look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So for the first hairstyle, you need to comb your hair in a middle parting and then take some portion of your hair and just twist it. Now secure the twisted hair with the bobby pin. Do it neatly on the other side as well. Take rest of your hair into a nice ponytail and secure it with the rubber band. Take mangtikka and secure it with the bobby pin. Now pull some hair from both the sides. Take 1-inch section from the ponytail and wrap it around the rubber band. Secure it with the bobby pin under the ponytail so that it's not seen. Second hairstyle is the extension of your first hairstyle. Untie your ponytail and make a braid. Now secure it with the rubber band. Take off the mangtikka and put a bindi in the center. To look it more attractive, here I am wearing earrings. For the third hairstyle, again you need to comb your hair in the middle parting and take some hair and twist it till the end. Secure your ends with the bobby pin. Do the same on the other side as well. Again, take some portion of your hair and twist it till the end. Secure the twist with the bobby pin. Do the same on the other side as well. Now take first two twisted hair and secure it with the help of a rubber band. Remove the bobby pins at this time. Now again take another twisted hair and secure it all together. Remove the bobby pins at this time. Flip the twisted hair back. This is something how it will look from the back. Now wear a pair of earrings to look it more attractive. For the fourth hairstyle, again you need to comb your hair in a middle parting and place mantika and secure it with the bobby pin. Now flip your hair to the right so that your mantika's string would not be visible. Wear the earrings to make your look more attractive. You can simply leave your hair like this, but I make a little twist from both the sides. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you like my video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and have a good day.